Master the magic of when time expressions in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of relative adverbs and focus on one in particular, the word when. When is used in English to refer to times, but do you know how to use when with specific time expressions? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, it's essential to understand when as a relative adverb. When is a relative adverb that introduces a relative clause. It helps us link the timing of two events or an event and a situation. It's quite versatile, and we use it to talk about a variety of time-related matters, from historical periods to specific moments in a day. Example: I'll never forget the day when I graduated from college. In this sentence, when is introducing a relative clause, I graduated from college. That is giving more information about the day. Now that we've understood the basics of using when, let's focus on its usage with specific time expressions. Using when with these expressions can help add more precision and context to our sentences. For example, in a sentence like, "It was 1985 when we moved to New York," the time expression, 1985, gives us a specific point in time for the event of moving to New York. Similarly, "It was at sunrise when I saw the beautiful rainbow," uses "at sunrise" as a time expression to specify the moment of seeing the rainbow. Although when is quite versatile, it's important to remember some rules and restrictions to ensure correct usage. Rule 1. When is not used with time expressions that refer to a length of time such as for 2 years, in 3 days, for a while, etc. Incorrect usage: "It was for 2 years when I lived in France." Correct usage: "I lived in France for 2 years." Rule 2. When is generally not used in the present tense to refer to the future after conjunctions like if, as soon as, when, etc. Incorrect usage: "I will call you when I will arrive home." Correct usage: "I will call you when I arrive home." These rules are crucial to remember, as they will help ensure your English is clear, accurate, and grammatically correct. And there you have it, folks. We hope this lesson about using when with specific time expressions has added a new dimension to your understanding of English grammar. Remember, practice is key, so keep trying to use when in your conversations and written communications. Stay tuned for more enlightening lessons on English language learning. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.